Hey guys, the kitchen is open by the GM Twins, and don't forget to check out our food website www.thegmkitchen.com. So today we are learning how to make meat pie in the simplest way possible. What's needed is a quarter chopped onions, a medium chopped potato, and a medium chopped meat, spices, and a cup of water. So the first step to do is to add 2 spoonfuls of oil on the medium heat, Then add the onions at first. And stir the onions for a while. So after stirring, we add half cup of water, enough to cook the ingredient, then add the meat and the potato. You could actually add chopped carrots, green beans, but I basically used what was around me and it turned out great. Yes, so stir it together. Now it's time to put the spices. We add the thyme, half spoonful of thyme, the ginger, half spoonful of ginger, and a spoonful of chili peppers, powdered pepper. Then 3 pinch of salt. Then we leave it to cook. So while that is being done, the separate bowl, add 1 spoonful of flour in a quarter cup of water and stir it together. We are actually adding this to the mixture on the fire. This is for the final finish. This will give it that moist look and prevent the flour from drying, the fillings from drying, and the flour mixture when we're baking it. It will give it that feeling, that smooth feeling. It has a lot of advantages when we do this, so this is so important. It makes a difference. So mix it together. Here we go. So the fillings is done. This is the first thing to do. Do not forget, do this before working on the flour. So with the flour now, we have our flour, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we sieve it. Then bring out 250 grams of butter. But imagine having a 250 grams of butter, then removing a quarter of it. Remove a quarter from a 250 gram butter, then add the rest into the flour and add it like a little bit so you could easily mix it. So when doing this, to be sure if it's enough, you will have that crumbling feel, like everything will look just like that. So everything will look just like this, to be sure that the butter is enough. And we have to do this for some minutes to make sure the butter is everywhere. So now the water. I said half cup of water, but not everything will be used. So you can add it by using a spoon. You'll be surprised by the little amount of water that will be needed. So do not just pour the water and add it little by little and keep on kneading. And when it comes together, do not add any amount of water. So half cup of water, not everything will be used. So do not just pour the water in, and you can add it with a spoon as I said it. It's gonna come together, but if you just take time, just make sure you just keep on kneading it with your strength. So like put it on a flat surface with sprinkled flour. So for easy kneading, I brought it out from the bowl to knead it properly. Yeah. So we're gonna wrap it in a plastic bag and set aside for about 5 to 7 minutes. This is to add more elasticity. Yeah. So bring it out from the wrap after 7 minutes or 5 minutes and knead it again for a while and make sure you knead it properly. This is so important. So now we take a rolling pin to roll it into a very flat size. Just keep on rolling, keep on rolling. So we have a biscuit cutter to cut out different shapes. Yeah, you could actually use any shape. Yours could be a big round shape, but I'm using this shape. And if you have no biscuit cutter at home, you could actually use a knife to cut it out. Yeah, so this is the choice of shape I chose. You could choose any size you want. Yeah, and yours could be bigger than this too, so don't just limit your idea to this. Yeah. There we go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you're loving this. Thank you. So I'm moving it. It looks just like this when it's done, and yours could be thinner than that as well, depending on how thick you want it to be. So remember the cut out parts we needed and do the former steps. Yeah, we need it and cut it out again. Yeah, so that's it. And so you break an egg, yeah, just one egg, and put it on the edges of the cut out dough. Yeah, this is to make sure everything joins together when it's in the oven. You don't want your dough to remove when baking. Like, this is to make sure both doughs come together. You'll see how this is done. And for this, you could even use a brush. Yeah, rather than a spoon, you could also use a brush as well. So not the meat, put it in the center of the dough, cut out dough, just enough so that it doesn't spill out. This is so important. So place the other cut out size dough on it, yeah, and use a fork to press it down so that egg that was put on the edges will bring it together easily. Yeah, so do you get this? You brush the edge of the cut out size dough with egg in order to prevent opening of the dough when it's in the oven. Yeah, so just put on the designs you want to put on it. Yeah, And if you feel this size is kind of small for you, you could actually reknead it with a rolling pin. Yeah, you can actually do that to make it have like a little more space to put the meat. Yeah. And use a meat pie cutter, biscuit cutter, just the size you want, how you want it to be. So you can see that dough, I'm trying to increase the size by rolling it. Just like that. Can you see that it's like bigger now? And now set it on a baking tray. Yeah, just like that. Look at how beautiful it is. And preheat your oven for about 2 to 3 minutes. And please, this is depending on how hot your oven can be. Yeah, this will be baked for about 25 to 30 minutes. And please monitor it, do not let it burn, please. Yay, surprise, we did it. Let's check inside. Yummy. I wish you could have this, but you know what, you could always make it at home and share with your friends and family. As usual, I only had like a little part of it, but I still loved it because it is happy when I share things with my family. So share and comment below, tell me how it went. So don't forget to check out www.dgmkitchen.com. I hope you all had a nice time. Enjoy. And don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification bell. It's the GM Twins. Have a nice day, guys.